Welcome to the Virgin Islands. This vacation villa with a private pool is situated in a prime location on the east end of St. Thomas. It's close to Red Hook and within walking distance of beautiful Sapphire Beach. It's the perfect place for your next romantic getaway. You'll fall in love with the island of perpetual summer. Our villa can be your own little slice of paradise for a few days, the week, or a month. We know you'll fall in love with it too. From the private pool right outside your door, to the one-of-a-kind luxury garden shower, to the modern amenities, we've thought of everything to ensure you have the best time in America's paradise. The fully equipped kitchen features a convection range, full-size refrigerator and freezer, microwave, blender, and all the pots, pans, and utensils you need to make a meal at home. There's dinnerware, silverware, and grill utensils for the propane grill on the back deck. There's a breakfast bar, which also makes a great workspace while you enjoy morning coffee. You have dedicated indoor and outdoor dining spaces too. The inviting living room with multiple seating options features a ceiling fan, ductless split air conditioning system, board games, and a smart TV, plus enhanced cable. Of course, there's free Wi-Fi throughout the villa as well. The sofa converts into a queen-size bed, and we've got linens and pillows available. We also have 2 air mattresses with linens and pillows, sleeping up to 5, although we think the space is best suited as luxury quarters for couples. The bifold doors separate the bedroom from the living space. It boasts a king-size bed with views to the pool and lush tropical grounds. It also has a ceiling fan, another ductless split air conditioning system, smart TV, and clothing storage. The amazing bathroom's focal point is the garden shower. Everyone falls in love with it. It's designed with a thriving outdoor garden right next to it. It also features plenty of space, a rain head, separate wand, and a bench. There are 2 separate vanities, a washer and dryer, free for guest use, plenty of towels, and a walk-in closet that houses all the beach and pool equipment, in addition to more clothing storage. 3 sets of double doors lead to your sparkling private swimming pool and the outdoor space. There's outdoor dining, loungers, an outdoor sofa, propane grill, and tropical views. We've also provided pool towels, toys, and floats for guest use. Every space in and outside of the villa is outfitted with tropical plants and decor. We've thought of everything to enhance your day at the beach, too. Beach chairs, shade umbrella, towels, snorkeling gear, and a cooler are all included with your stay. The beaches on St. Thomas are jaw-dropping. Sapphire Beach, Lindquist Beach, Secret Harbor, Vessup Bay, Pelican Beach, Cokie Beach, Magens Bay, Hull Bay, Brewers Bay, and Lindbergh Bay are just some of our favorites. Again, Sapphire Beach is just a short walk away through the private gate and across a parking lot. Having marinas and the ferry terminal so close to your private villa makes it easy to take a day trip to St. John, a fishing excursion, or to head out on a BVI adventure. The ferry to St. John leaves every hour. There's also a car barge. St. John is amazing. It features the Virgin Islands National Park, pristine beaches, including world-famous Trunk Bay, ranked in the top 10 in the world, with its crystal clear waters and underwater guided snorkel tour. You'll also enjoy seeing turtles and spotted eagle rays at Maho and Francis Bays, taking in pristine views at Cinnamon Bay, or enjoying world-class hiking in the park. One of my favorite scenic hikes is the Ram's Head hike. It's not too difficult and offers phenomenal views. St. John has many fantastic shopping and dining options too. Back at your private oasis, unwind with a cocktail by the pool, grill up the day's fresh catch, or relax in the serenity of the indoor-outdoor garden shower during a tropical rainfall. If you don't want to go out or cook at home, Pangea, the fresh restaurant and bar on site, is amazing. It's just a few steps from the front door of the villa. For other dining options near the villa, Red Hook offers over 20 restaurants and bars. You can also walk to 4 great spots at Sapphire Beach, from breakfast to bar style to pizza to fine dining. Sometimes we'll even head north or catch the ferry over to St. John just for dinner. Book with the peace of mind that your vacation will be everything you hoped for. You'll have access to us to help arrange transportation, plan activities, and take care of anything you should require to complete your stay. We can even have the villa stocked with your favorite items before you arrive. Special requests? Just ask. It's our pleasure to share our little slice of America's paradise. It's a Caribbean dream.